Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a St. John Joseph of the Cross Chibi charm. Start out by rolling out a cone of brown clay. Then roll out a small snake and cut off 2 sections for the arms. Attach one arm at the top of the cone and wrap it around to the middle, and then do the same with the other section. Roll out a thicker snake of white clay and then flatten it out. Then wrap it around the top of the cone. Trim off any excess and then flatten the top to smooth it. Roll out a small ball of white clay and then flatten it out. Take it off of your work surface and attach it to the top of the charm. This will be his little hood. Roll out 2 small balls of light skin color clay and attach them to the end of the arms. To make the cross, roll out a thicker sheet of brown clay and cut out a cross shape. It doesn't have to be perfect, you can fix it later. Texture the cross with a needle tool or a toothpick by lightly dragging it along the surface of the cross. Make them wavy and all over the place because wood texture isn't just straight lines. Use your finger to smooth out any bumps and then trim off any parts that you don't like. Attach the cross onto where the hands are in the middle of the body. Attach it at a slight angle so that it doesn't cover his face when you attach it later. Gently press on it with your finger so that you don't smash it, but that it's firmly attached. To make his head, roll out a ball of light skin color clay and then use a small dotting tool to press a hole for the mouth. Then roll out 2 tiny balls of black clay for the eyes. Attach them above the mouth. Use your finger to gently flatten them and shape them the way you'd like. Rub a Q-tip on a piece of pink or red chalk or pastel, and then dab it on the cheeks for blush. I like to make my charms with rosy cheeks. I think it just makes them look so cute. To make his hair, roll out a small snake of brown clay and attach it like a halo onto his head. Then flatten it out with your fingers. Leave a space at the front. We will put a little piece of hair there later. Roll out a small ball of brown clay and then shape it into a teardrop shape. Gently place that in the middle of the forehead and flatten it down so that it's firmly attached. Use your fingers to curl it upwards and then texture the rest of the hair. Attach his head to his body by gently pressing straight down. Press where the hair is not placed, that way you don't smash it. Then cut out an eye pin and place it straight down through the head into the body to make it secure. Here's how the charm looks before it's baked. If there's anything you don't like, adjust it now, and then bake it according to your clay's package instructions. Once it's baked, add dots to the eyes using a dotting tool dipped in white paint. If you don't like the way the paint turns out, rub it off with a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover and then reapply. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you'd like to see me do another charm, let me know in the comments. And as always, God bless.